Grabe, natatangay kami
Live
guys.
your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.
Good morning guys, it's day 2 of our Disney Wish cruise. It's 6:56 a.m. It's almost 7 a.m. Mising kami na maaga para makapaglipot kami sa ship nang medyo wala pang tao para makapag-explore kami ng konti. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Grand Hall, right in front of this very beautiful chandelier. Ayan. Look at this Grand Hall, like, ang ganda, di ba? The carpet is also giving. Ganda. And the staircase is there. Disney Wish is very beautiful. Like, ang ganda ng ship. Ang ganda ng Grand Hall. Like, wins by a landslide for me. Ito yung classic Disney na parang magical yung feeling. Ang ganda ng Grand Hall nila. Ito yung pinakamaganda for me sa lahat ng nakita ko in person at saka even sa pictures na nakita ko. Ito yung pinaka maganda for me. I don't know why they keep saying that Wish is the worst DCL ship. Ito yung lowest rated ship eh. I think mainly because of the elevator. Kasi totoo naman na dalawa lang yung elevator. Like, pero yung Treasure at saka yung Destiny din naman alam ko dalawa lang eh. Dalawang hilera lang. Normally kasi like sa Dream, they have aft, mid, at saka forward. So, 3 yung elevator per section. Dito, 2 lang. So, like kami, nasa dulo kami ng aft. Kasi we booked a GTY room para cheaper. So, ang layo ng nilalakad namin to get to the elevator. Pero, other than that, ang ganda ng ship na to. Like, feel mo yung Disney Magic. Pagpasok mo pa lang. But anyway, iniintay namin. Ano ba? Na-discover mo? Mamaya na? Okay. So, 7:30 daw yung parang good morning nung chandelier. Tawag dito? Yung main, chandelier ba? Kasi di ba chandelier yung gumagalaw? Bumaba sa grand staircase, guys. I feel like, a debutant. Charot. So pretty. So, tumambay kami dito sa Grand Hall to wait for the good morning light show. 7:30. It's 7:11 right now. So, hintay namin. Mag-picture-picture na lang muna kami dito. Kahit hindi kami naka-outfit. At gumising lang kami at nagpunta dito. Pero medyo may gutom na ako. Pero habang walang tao. Kasi this area usually gets very busy. So, if you want like a nice shot in the morning or nice video, nice pictures, gising kayo na maaga para walang tao. Basically solo nyo yung Grand Hall.
Yes, I know it's a lovely morning, but it was a lovely dream, too. A dream is a wish your heart breaks when you're fast asleep. The dream that you wish will come true.
Ganda ng good morning show. Very quick lang, pero super nice. We're headed sa front ng ship. Yung parang pinaka-tip niya. Grabe! Natatangay kami, guys. Super lakas. There's a camera. Hi! Can you see us? Sila ako nanonood. Hi! Hi! Pabalik na ako ah! Kita niyo yung itsura ko. Grabe! Natatangay ako sa bigat ko. Natatangay ako. Grabe, ganun siya kalakas. Okay, we're headed now to Marceline Market. It's 7:48 a.m. We have brunch at Palo at 9:30. Pero gutom na ako. So, subo lang ng very light, pang tawid. So, we wanna keep ourselves hungry for the brunch kasi mas bongga yun. Pero, subo lang ako ng konti. Para lang manahimik yung tiyan kong nagwawala. Okay? Mini breakfast before the actual breakfast. We're overlooking the best view in the world. We're approaching Nassau. Nagtigalawang slice lang kami ni MC. Hindi namin maubos. Kasi, kaya namin ubusin right now, pero may mains pa kami. Hindi namin makakain yung mains na tagalawa pa kami ng mains. Hindi namin mauubos if kakainin namin to right now. So, nanginayang ako sa leftover food dito sa Palo. Pero sabi naman nila yung mga leftovers dito sa ship, parang ginagrind nila. Parang may processor sila dito, tapos pinapakain nila sa fish. So, ayun, time check, it's 11 o'clock. So, it's 1.5 hours na kami since we started. Hindi pa nasa-serve yung main. So, if magpapalo kayo, make sure to allot time, at least 2 hours for this. Kasi, mabagal yung pacing niya sa pagkain. Sabi ko kay Paul kanina, siguro kung sinerve lahat ng sabay-sabay, baka nakain na, mas marami kami nakain. But since
ang tagal ng in-between meals. So, syempre, napaprocess yung kinain mo. So, nabubusog ka lang, nabubusog. So, hanggang sa pagdating ng mains, busog na ako. So, anyway, we don't miss Palo every time na nagko-cruise kami. Kasi, I feel like it's worth the money. Hindi siya ganun ka-expensive. Like $55, pero like kasi unlimited. So anyway, parating na yung mains namin. So let's see. Okay, mains have been served. Finally, I got lasagna, bolognese. Then we got chicken parm to share. And then si FC, ano to?
Rollatini.
Rollatini. Gulay yan.
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Okay, for our dessert, chocolate fondant. And my sleeping FC. Kulog ka na dyan. Lusog-lusog. Bundat. Okay, tapusin na natin ito and then let's go. Kaya na tayo. Okay. Palo brunch done. Grabing bundat. Busog. Pababa tayo na kinain. Magpunta kami guest services. Mag-ask nung ship tour. So it's currently the royal gathering sa Grand Hall. So, ang princesses is si Moana, si Cinderella, my favorite Belle, and si Rapunzel. I can't get over at how beautiful Disney Wish Grand Hall. I mean, look at that. It's so beautiful. Hi guys, it's 2 hours later. Midlip kami pagkatapos ng Palo. Sobrang antok. Now we're walking towards Kagan Compass to catch some Marvel trivia. Okay, I'll see you there.
Which Infinity Stone powers the Eye of Agamotto? Question 2. In Agatha All Along, who does William Kaplan discover he really is? Question 4. What VHS box does Carol Danvers pick up after crashing into the Blockbuster video store?
Ang hirap.
Question 5. What compliment does Captain America give Spider-Man after he drops a jet bridge on him? Now, this is a very famous line. Question 6. What is the name of the set of documents that regulates the activities of enhanced persons?
Civil War.
Alright, question 7. Who plays the barber that gives a reluctant Thor a haircut before the contest of champions? In Miss Marvel, what is Kamala Khan's family heritage?
Hi guys, bumalik kami sa room after the trivia. Hindi na namin tinapos yung game na yun. Kasi, bokya kami. Ang hirap, sobrang hirap. Like, Marvel advanced level siya. So, like, super hirap nung trivia na yun. Tinapos namin, pero like, hindi na kami nakapag-exchange for checking. Kasi alam namin, wala naman kami. Hindi kami mananalo kasi super bokya kami. Anyway, after nung bumalik kami dito sa room, kasi sumakit yung tiyan ko. Parang akong kinakabag. After nung Palo brunch. Parang nasobrahan sa parang nabusog ako ng bongga. So hanggang ngayon, ang sakit pa din niya. Dediretso kami ng Luna Lounge to buy bingo, pre-sales ng bingo. And then, we'll head to the Cove Cafe to have some coffee, something na mainit para sa tiyan ko, baka makatulong. Nagagavis ko na ako ngayon to help with it. Pero meron pa din eh. So, anyway, I'll see you guys there. Hey, we're now here sa Luna Lounge. Nakakabili na ako ng bingo tablet. So, ito yung binili ko. It's $50, 48 cards yung kasama niya. So, wala lang manual, papanoorin mo lang yung bingo cards, automatic na siya. So, the mega jackpot right now is $5,000. Pero may minimum set of cards or may minimum set of balls lang para panalo lang may 5,000. Tapos pag hindi na-meet yun, may consolation prize. Depende sa ewan ko, depende ata sa mga bumili. Kung like, parang sure 100, 200, mga ganun. So, FC bumili ng popcorn. Ayan. Ang ganda dito sa Luna Lounge kasi multi-floor siya. Ayan o. Meron sa baba, meron sa taas. Okay, let's play bingo.
My favorite number is 67. 67. 67. 61. Was that a bingo? Whoa. That's right, Alex, hello! G60, oh no, G61, 061, is that on that card? Somebody in the room could quite possibly walk away with $5,000 very, very shortly. Let's keep on moving and grooving those. We shimmy to the O column with 075. N 33.
Munti ka na tayong manalo.
3 numbers.
Hindi kasi katabi ko yung nanalo.
Okay.
Sayang. Isang upuan na lang kami na.
Oo, yung bata mismo katabi mo.
Oo. Katabi ko yung nanalo, yung batang malikot. Anyway, that was a good game. But meron pa ata bukas for 10,000. You wanna try it again? Pag-isipan ko. $50 din kasi siya eh. So, alam mo yung na-notice ko? Ano ba to? Ang lalaki ng price nila dito. Sa Dream, nasa 100, 200 lang. Di ba naalala mo?
Kaya parang
Dito,
hindi sulit.
400, 600, 800. Ay, ito. Yung, yung price. Mainly because ang daming naglalaro. Kasi ano yun eh, yung kung sino yung bumili, tinatali na yun, siguro dinidivide nila. Ganon. So anyway, that was fun. Pag-iikot kami right now, inintay namin mag-open yung store. Kasi ti-check namin kung yung ship model na binili ni Paul na pirmahan na ng captain. Okay? I'll talk to you guys in a bit. We're now seated sa Walt Disney Theater to watch the, ano palabas ng
Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid. So we're watching the Little Mermaid show. Sabi nila maganda daw talaga to. And parang popular show siya. So let's see. This is not on the Dream, so it's our first time watching it. I wonder kung meron din ito sa ibang show or sa ibang ship or sa Disney Wish lang. I don't know, pero I'm excited to see it. So, it's 30 minutes before show opening. Ang haba na ng pila kanina. So, mukhang popular nga tong show na to. I'll see you after the show. Magdi-debrief tayo kung maganda siya or hindi. Magre-review siya. Ito yung stage, guys. Ang ganda. May malaking treasure chest sa harapan. Sabi ko parang coincidence ba na may shelf sa taas? O andyan talaga. Or baka Little Mermaid theme talaga tong theater na to. Kasi parang ganda eh. O, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng colors. Okay. I'll see you guys after the show. Hey, it's Pirate Night, so it's Davy Jones again. Ay, hiningal kami. Balik lang. Nag-stairs kami from 3rd floor to 9th floor. Kasi may ating nagkaren sa elevator kanina. Ang daming tao, sobrang crowded sa elevator. So, may sumisigaw na ate. Sabi niya, we all came here before you. Chucho, wala kasing pila, so... Sabi ko, mag-stairs na lang. Sabi ni FC, mag-stairs na lang tayo. So, hiningal ako. So, 6 flights of stairs din yun
Pero nakakatawa, may sumagot sa kanya. Kasi punuan niya eh. Ano sila, meron silang yung broom. Sabi niya,
Broom.
Antag,
May wheelchair.
electric
chair.
So parang sabi, sure, if you're gonna fit, may sumagot na ganun sa kanya. Kasi nga ayaw niyang papasukin yung iba.
Pagbukas kasi ng elevator, puno din. So, hindi rin sila kasha. So, kung elevator na lang tayo kasi wala ako sa mood makipag... Nakakatawa lang. Yung mga ganun lang talaga. Kahit saan cruise ka, kahit Disney cruise pa yan, meron ka rin talaga. Hindi naman mawawala yan eh. Anyway, it's 7:42. So after the show, how'd you find the Little Mermaid show, FC?
Ganda siya.
Did you like it better than Beauty and the Beast?
No.
Beauty and the Beast parang ako din.
Tsaka hindi ko, mali yung story nila. Kasi hindi nakapanood.
Kanina
Hindi pwede.
hindi yan yung nangyari.
Kasi,
Sabi niya.
Sa movie, si Prince Eric, yung ano niya ng ship si Ursula para mamatay siya. Inano niya, yung parang binangga niya ng ship yung yung sa harap ng ship. Basta yun, tinamaan niya. So, pumutok si Ursula dahil doon. Dito sa ginawa nila, yung trident ni Triton, yun yung ginamit ni Ariel para kumbaga patayin si Ursula, which is hindi yun yung sa movie. Kasi everything else sinunod nila sa movie. So sabi ko, hindi, mali yan.
Maganda. Like, super nice pa rin. Ang galing ng singer. Para sa akin, ang nag-shine sa show na yon si Ursula. Ang ganda ng boses nung gumanap na Ursula. And basta, very in character siya. So, ang galing. Ang ganda. But still, Beauty and the Beast is our favorite. Pero, second yung Beauty and the Beast for me. Number 1 yung Seas the Adventure. Yun talaga yung pinaka-favorite. Kaya ikaw, Beauty and the Beast yung number 1 or number 2?
Ayun, sister.
No, Seas the Adventure. Seas the Adventure yung pinaka-favorite namin. Number 1 yun. Pangalawa yung Beauty and the Beast sa Disney Dream. So, don't miss the Seas the Adventure. Panoorin nyo ng lahat ng shows kasi it's still a lot of fun. Pero, nilarank lang namin kasi syempre, we've been to the other ships. So, nakakompare namin. Anyway, anong oras na ulit? 7:44, our dinner's at 8:15. Kumalma na yung tiyan ko, thank God. Mag-prep lang kami ng konti. It's Pirate Night tonight. So, lahat ng tao super busy sa baba. Ang daming pirate events. So, hindi na kami nag-participate in this trip kasi we've experienced it a couple of times before. So, hindi na ako umoutfit, hindi na ako nag-effort for it. Mas gusto kong mag-ikot-ikot and explore the ship kasi nga since 3 nights lang, ang laki ng ship na yun, namin hindi nakikita. So, nag-ikot-ikot kami. We played Guess the Karat. So, parang pag nanalo ka, you guess it right and you win something. Hindi ako nanalo. Pero, we've won before, hindi sa Guess the Karat, pero like we've won before sa Diamonds International na contest. Yung Diamonds International is yung official diamond jewelry sa Disney ships. So, they often run promos, 20% off, tapos may mga pa-raffle, attend ka ng showcase, may raffle sila, ganyan. So, may mga napanalunan na kami before. Panoorin nyo yung mga previous Disney cruise vlogs namin. May mga clips about it na napanalunan namin before. So, anyway, also, if you are interested in complimentary charms, they also give away charms every 7 o'clock. Meron sa umaga, meron sa gabi. So, 7 p.m. yung kanina. So, if you collect charms, nothing fancy. Like, yung parang basic na charm lang na kinakabit sa chain ng bracelet. So, if you collect those, so, nasa app naman siya. So, complimentary charm. Collect your complimentary charm. Usually, 7 p.m. siya sa Enchanted Jewels, yung pangalan ng store. So, make sure to go there kasi they run out. Mabilis lang siya nauubos. So, pagpunta, every 7 o'clock, punta kayo doon diretso to get the charm. Ayun lang. Okay, so after this, our dinner tonight is at Worlds of Marvel. Uy, nag-ilaw. Our dinner tonight is at Worlds of Marvel. I know may parang little present, like hindi siya show, pero like alam ko yung sa TV may ganap siya. So hindi siya, like 1923 kasi kagabi, last night is just basic dinner, walang ganap, walang anything. More Worlds of Marvel, may something siya na parang may ganap. So I can't explain it, basta makikita nyo na lang later. Mag-vlog ako ng very light kasi may katabi kami. So, ayun, pahinga lang in a bit and then I'll see you guys at dinner. Hi guys, we're now at Worlds of Marvel for dinner. So, parang may mini presentation or show sa TV screens na yan. Avengers team din yung plate nila, oh. Tsaka yung mga spoon and fork nila. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Ayan, oh. Yan siya. Okay, ito na yung menu. Let's check it out. Check out the menu. Oh. They have small plates. Hindi ko na isa-isahin yan, pero ayan yung menu. For entrees. Yan. Di nawawala lagi yung steak. Ayan. Okay. Basahin ko lang din order kami, ha? Wait lang. I got the steamed bao for appetizer, starter. Ano yan?
Iceberg wedges.
Bakit parang pinutol, hiniwang ano lang, lettuce. Lettuce yun, diba? Weird. Pero pure pork siya. Parang siopaw na tinapay. Really good.
Let me address the elephant in the room. I've heard a lot of chatter out there asking why I didn't shrink down, go in, and kill Thanos in a really creative way. First of all, gross. Secondly, it's much more complicated than that. Allow me to explain.
If only we had the time. Well, making it smaller would make it better. Friday, initiate power-up sequence. Target acquired. Quantum cores are online. Prepare to push your buttons.
Ready? In 3, 2, 1, activate!
For our mains, we ordered the beef tenderloin. Ano yung order mo? Chicken... Ano yan?
Schnitzel.
Schnitzel. And then here, pasta.
Thank you. The gnocchi.
And then we have the pasta. Dessert has been served. I got a cheesecake. Epsi got the same.
Hi everyone, I'm back.
She's got...
Borrowed Mr. Lang's password and tapped into the ship's communication satellite.
Goodbye.
Wait, I have an urgent message. Trouble is heading your way. Like, big trouble.
What trouble? I'll alert the team.
It's Ultron. It's after the quantum cores. Don't worry, I'll be there soon. Oh, send me a Mickey bar.
Captain America! Sam! Captain Falcon! Captain, what do I call you now? Sam works. Call me Captain. How's the cushy cruise gig going? Try the chicken tenders. It'll change your life.
What are you doing on air?
We're headed back to base and we noticed a spike in high energy levels at your location. Red Blink, give us a bird's eye view.
They look like
Flying robots.
analyzing Ultron, an android obsessed with destroying the Avengers and wiping out all of mankind.
You must be here for the quantum course. Well, he sure isn't here for the chicken tenders. And later, we're gonna have a serious talk about bringing quantum tech to a cruise ship. Look at this crowd. You try keeping their attention. Well, look, that guy's still eating.
We've got to defend the course.
The kid now hold them all while you do it. Kid? Cool. Just took down Ultron one-on-one.
What? He had help.
I did have help.
So, kakatapos lang ng dinner, lumabas muna kami para magpababa ng kinain. Busog na busog kami. How do you find Worlds of Marvel?
Actually, gusto ko yung ano nila. Gusto ko yung food nila.
Masarap yung food.
Sarap yung
Get the steamed bao. Yung parang
Parang
siopaw na pork. Sarap. Ang sarap nung on-order mo yung chicken.
chicken schnitzel.
Okay din naman yung...
Even the gnocchi, ang sarap.
Okay din naman yung order ko, pero mas masarap yung chicken niya. We were supposed to do the 2000s trivia at 9:30. So, yung server namin, binilisan yung pagkain. Kasi 8:15 yung start. So, dapat alis na kami by 9:15. Kaso, si Spider-Man, dadating ng around 9:30. So, mas pinili namin si Spider-Man over trivia. So, kaya nakita nyo na videohan ko si Spider-Man. So, ano lang, mabilis ang ano lang niya, appearance, appear. Nakakatuwa yung mga bata na, yung mayakap na naka-outfit talaga yung...
Gusto talaga nila.
Oo, yung isang bata na parang nag-light up talaga yung mukha niya nung nakita niya si Spider-Man. So, yung the magic that talaga nagagawa ng Disney sa mga bata is And adults as well. Kakaiba. Ay, tingnan nyo to. Ganda oh. Dito kami sa labas tumambay kasi medyo malamig sa loob. Yun yung si Mickey. Dito kami sa dito kami sa area. Si Minnie naman, ayun. Pagka-main ka. Ito naman si Minnie. Ngayon ko lang napansin to. Sarap din pala tumambay dito. Ito, hindi masyadong mahangin dito.
Pero mainit.
Grabe, blue yung Tingnan nyo, oh. Super blue.
Umaandar tayo pero mabagal. Kasi malapit lang yung Castaway.
Umaandar kami pero mabagal.
Kasi from Nassau, malapit lang yung Castaway.
Oo, kasi Bahamas lang din siya eh.
Sabi baka madaling araw pa lang nandun na tayo pag normal speed.
Pwede nga nakahinto lang tayo eh. Maandar lang ng very, very light. Tapos nabitawan ko yung camera, no? My God. Hindi, nakasabit naman. Kanina pa kami daldal. Hindi pa na-record. Anyway, as I was saying, our next for us is Pirate Night party sa top deck ng 10:30. So, it's 9:41 right now. So, kill lang kami ng time. Pababa ng kinain. There's a fireworks show ng 10:30, 10:45, something like that. And then after that, 10:45 yung Toy Story movie. Manood kami nun kasi hindi pa namin yung napapanood sa sinehan. Sabi namin, since we have an upcoming cruise, sabi namin, huwag na tayo manood, huwag tayo kumasas manood ng movie. Manood na lang tayo sa Disney Wish once we're here. So, that's why panoorin namin yun. We thought na mapapanood namin yung Spider-Man dito. Kasi same date ng showing yung cruise date namin. But turns out, nawala sa isip namin that Spider-Man is made by Sony and hindi daw age-appropriate. May mga scenes daw na not suitable for children, something like that. So, hindi siya pinalabas dito. So, papanoorin na lang namin siya pag-uwi. So, right now, we're gonna catch Toy Story. Moana, hindi pa rin namin napapanood sa sinehan. Hindi na kami masyado nanonood ng mga Disney movies sa sinehan. Pag alam namin meron kami upcoming cruise, kasi alam namin mapapanood naman namin siya dito. Nawala lang talaga sa isip namin yung Spider-Man na hindi siya ipapalabas dito kasi nga hindi siya made by Disney. Anyway, we're just gonna kill time. We're gonna head to top deck for the pirate show and then we're gonna head to the movies. After movies, maglalabas si Epsi. It's laba time para less yung labada pag-uwi. Movie done. It was nice. Ngayon lang namin napanood eh. So, saya, nag-enjoy naman kami. Kala ko makakatulugan ko eh, pero nalibang ako. So, natapos namin yung movie ng hindi nakakatulog. Good job. Okay, mabalik na kami ng room. Maglalanbad na si Epsi. Dito ko natatapusin yung vlog. If you made it this far, please comment down below if you want to win the DCL throw blanket that I'm giving away for this Disney Wish series. Just comment down below anything as long as you include the word wish in the comments to be included in the raffle. Okay? Just comment on any of the Disney Wish series, you'll be included in it. Okay? This is open for Canada and Philippine subscribers only kasi those are the only countries na pwede kong ma-ship yung item.
Great. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Castle City. So exciting. We're gonna check out the area na hindi namin na-explore the last time we went there. So it's gonna be fun. Great. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.